Let's be honest, starting a career can be really tough. You face thousands of possible courses, jobs, training activities, and maybe all this in several different countries. You feel lost. Also, you need a CV, motivation letter, you need to store your certificates. What can you do?
Well, you should really look at Europass. But what exactly is Europass? Europass is a free online tool provided by the European Union that helps you manage your career and learning throughout your life.
With Europass, you can browse thousands of job opportunities, courses, and much more. You can create your CV using a format that is recognized and often required by organizations all over Europe. And you can write your cover letters starting from professional samples and templates.
Why would you need it? Europass will give you access to new opportunities within Europe, and it will make your life way easier.
So, what are you waiting for? Visit the Europass website and start shaping your career.